MatCaps are pretty cool. Use them every time you use Blender. May not even realize it. But here's the best part. They're super easy to make, set up, and use. Let's first explain exactly what a MatCap is. Don't worry, I'll make it very quick. Here's a fun fact. A MatCap is just a 2D image. This is why it's super easy to set up. The magic comes from the way it processes this image. It treats it like a half sphere for information on normal directions. So it knows what pixel it should use in reference to the camera. And by doing this simple thing, you get a fake of a material with lighting and properties. The purpose being that it's to give you a clear representation of the shape of your model with zero cost. So let's get into making it. I'm here on a fresh Blender scene. I'm just going to go ahead, delete everything, add in a icosphere, give it like 6 subdivisions, and then hit Shade Smooth. Can next add in a camera, clear its rotation, rotate X 90, and just pull it back. It won't matter how far back. We're going to then go over to our Properties panel. It doesn't matter if you're in Eevee or Cycles, just go ahead and put it in whatever one that will give you the look you want. I'm going to go ahead and put this to just 100 samples. Go to our output here. And for the output resolution, I'm just going to put 640. This is the resolution I've put all my MatCaps to, which I'll talk about later. And it gives enough resolution to have detail without it being really huge. You don't need it to be huge. It's not going to be the final render. And then next, I am going to set the camera to orthographic. And since our sphere is 2 meters in diameter, we want the orthographic to also be 2 meters. That will make the sphere nice and cozy up to the edges, and we don't have to worry about it. And really, this is all you need. This is everything you need to set up a MatCap for. All you have to do from here is just light it. You can add in area lights, give it materials, mess with the light. You can even change the world itself. You can even add in a sky texture to mess with your model here. If you do a sky texture, I would recommend SunDisk off. And for the strength, we would put in a light path is camera, and we want to actually invert that is camera. So then the background is pure black and it's only affecting the sphere. But that is everything you need to know to set up the MatCap. From there, you just render. Once you render, you can save it and import it. So let me show you how to import. You want to make sure that you're in the viewport shading. This is your OpenGL where you can use MatCaps. And you click the drop down right here. You can click on MatCap in the center and this gear icon. Then you'll see a section for MatCaps and you just simply press install. So what I've done is actually create about 75 MatCaps, jam them into a pack, and have it available on my Ko-fi for $1 or whatever you feel it's worth. So using that pack, I'm going to just go into my MatCaps, select all the images I want to import, and just hit import. And you should see them right here in the Blender preferences. Then just close the preferences, go back to your viewport shading options, and then once you click on the MatCap, you now see them all listed in here. And there's your MatCaps, all available right here for you, easy to install. You can also flip the MatCap with these arrows, and if you want to delete, just press the minus. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I know it was fairly short, and I honestly wanted to get it out on Monday, and it is Friday, 1 a.m. Don't forget to subscribe and also check out the Discord for other people who are interested in Blender. And you can find the coffee link down in the description below. Well, to the next one. I don't know what I'm doing. How do I end this? Where's the end button?